She didn't have it easy now. Things were different in her day. She had to navigate misogyny just to find her way. They all just look at you, trying to judge your looks and sway. She really had to lay it down, if she's gonna blow them all away. She had to crawl with eight keys on her hands and her knees in this boys' club just to appease. They tried to push her to the middle of the pack, but she composed while they slacked. While they focused on her looks and sway, she laid it down and blew them all away. They all just look at you, they're trying to judge your looks and sway. She really had to lay it down, bitch is gonna throw them all away. She had to crawl with eight keys on her hands and her knees in this boys' club just to appease. She turned melodies into memories, wrote the lines that linger on the breeze. They tried to box her out, she played their game. She wrote the soul while they chased fame. She kept her space, held her ground, let the music speak. No need to wear a crown. She had to crawl with eight keys on her hands and her knees in this boys' club just to appease. Her life, her love, her joy for spreading music, laying down in the studio, getting right down to it. Now that she's carved her way, they listen to what she say. She finally broke through that glass ceiling. Oh yeah, can't beat the feeling. Now she stands with eight keys and she plays them with me. No more boys' club to appease. She had to call with eight keys on her hands and her knees in this boys' club just to be. Now she stands tall, fingers dancing with grace. Those 88 keys got to this place. No more crawling, no more doubt. She plays the truth, she plays it loud. Her sound, no one's stealing. She earned her crown. Can't beat that feeling. Oh no, oh no. You can't beat the feeling. On 88 keys, you can't beat the feeling, and now she's reeling. She understands with and she plays it with. No more boys love to her.